Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Let's talk about Euro USD in this video. So starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, what is this? This is 42.9. This is 4P3. Okay, so this looks like a double top to me here for the short term. Okay, so we are going down. You can see this is your bearish kind of hammer. So sellers have pushed the price down. So this is gonna go down now. Coming back to daily time frame. One thing I know for sure. Okay, that's like close your eyes and free money. Okay, price is going to touch this EMA. So we're gonna go down until the EMA. That's certain. That's gonna happen. Nobody can stop. Okay. Coming back to 4 hour. Again, 4 hour is exhausted. So your entry should be after the pullback. Okay. When you enter into this trade, I don't know. I don't care. But if you want take profit from daily time frame, that's the EMA. Okay. It is guaranteed. This will happen. And this is free fucking money. Okay. Price will come until the EMI. I don't take any guarantees when. I don't talk about when, I talk about what. Okay. So what will happen? Price is going to come down until the EMA. That's free fucking money. If you know your lot size, if you know your numbers, then you can take your profit until the EMA blindly. Okay. That's Euro USD for you. When to enter, I don't know. Just go and figure out. Okay. But this is your TP and look for shorts for the short term if you're a scalper or whatever. Okay. So this is going to touch the EMA, then maybe go up. Time will tell. But that's it for now. Subscribe, like, share, join free Telegram. All the links are below the video.